Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thus naturally this here is TV, and in today's video we are going to tighten our vagina. Yes, before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching my videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified whenever there is a new upload. And in this video, I want to tell you that if you are having discomfort in enjoying how to have sex, you don't feel okay having sex as a result of loose vagina, I entreat you to watch till the end to know how this video is going to help you. So all that we need is just aloe vera gel. Just aloe vera gel. And you know, aloe vera have a whole lot of benefit for our skin and for our system. So let's not waste much time. I'm going to cut off this and also the edges. Then I'm going to need the jelly part of it, so I'm cutting it into two. That's how so simple and so easy to do. I think I'll be okay with this part. So now this aloe vera juice or gel. That's how it looks like. So assuming this is your vagina, you take some of it, then you put it into your hole. That's how that is it. And no, also on a second thought, if you can't use your hand, you can use a cotton. That is a cotton ball. So I'm going to take some like this. You scoop some. Then after you are done, you leave this in for about 30 minutes before you take your shower. Yes, when you use the cotton, you just use this to clean the inside before you have sex. Yes, so easy and so natural with no side effects. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe as well. You can store the rest in the fridge for the next use. Alright, thank you for watching.